Line lock is a security feature on Total Wireless that prevents unauthorized number porting. It's automatically enabled if you have an outstanding balance over $10, a suspended account, or if your phone is reported stolen. In 2025, the easiest way to disable it is via the Total Wireless app or website. It acts as a freeze, preventing your number from being transferred to another carrier like AT&T or T-Mobile. This is to protect you from fraud, theft, or unauthorized access to your phone number. Disabling it requires proving you own the account and resolving any underlying issues. Also, since 2024, you will also need your porting PIN that you set up in the app. To disable line lock on Total Wireless, start by accessing the app or website. Go to Account Settings in the app or website, then navigate to Line Management. Select Disable Line Lock. You'll need to verify your identity with a PIN or biometric ID. The process takes 24 to 48 hours. Pay any outstanding balances, as they prevent disabling. If due to fraud, law enforcement may be involved. For problems, call 611 from your Total Wireless phone. Remote disabling was added in 2025, and a porting PIN is now required.